I'm going to show you how to create a deepfake live streaming using Swapface app. Before starting face swap journey, you should have an advanced webcam which supports HD resolution. Since the app is based on machine learning models, an advanced GPU is also required. To run it fluently, we recommend a GeForce RTX 20 series graphics card and above. First, download the Face Swap app from our website, swapface.org, and install it on your PC. Please ensure that the installation path is in English and does not contain any special characters, and that you have sufficient storage space, 5 GB or more. If you don't have an account, please register first. After registering with your email, you will receive a verification code. Fill in the code to complete the registration. Now you can enter your username and password to log into the Swapface app and go to the homepage. Before swap your face, there are some parameters you can set. You can choose which camera to use, choose the resolution, flip the image, and open a new window. Besides that, Face Swap app support two types of virtual camera, the OBS and Swapface Cam. Virtual camera lets you use realistic face swap as the camera output to Skype, Zoom, Teams, Meet, or any other live streaming apps. Open the live streaming apps and choose the corresponding virtual camera. You can choose face at the bottom of the homepage. When everything is ready, click Start to start face swap journey. Tips: it takes some time, up to a few dozen seconds, to open the camera and load the algorithm, so please be patient. If you want to try a new face, please go to the gallery and choose the face you like. You can click any face to look at the Swapface performance. If you like it, you can add it to your account. My page stores all the faces you like, and you can click Add In button to add ready-to-use face to the home page and click the bottom face to delete face. Now you can make video calls and live streaming with a real-time replaced face in most programs.